Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Fiverr account. As you can see, you are now on the seller dashboard. To start, click on your profile logo in the top right corner and then select settings. From here, you will see options like your full name, email, online status, account settings. If you choose to deactivate your Fiverr account, your profile and gigs will no longer be visible on the platform. Any active order will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs directly. Before deactivating, Fiverr will ask you to select a reason for leaving. You can choose from the given option or select other and provide a brief explanation. Once done, simply click on deactivate account. Now, if you later decide to reactivate your Fiverr account, all you need to do is go back to Fiverr and log in using same email and password as before. Once you are logged in, your account will be reactivated successfully. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.